Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review of a powerful online video editing tool called Flexclip. Whether you're a content creator, a small business owner, or just someone who loves making videos, Flexclip is here to help you unleash your creativity. In this nugget, we'll deep dive into the features, functionality, and user experience of Flexclip. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore this amazing tool. Before we jump into the features, let's talk about what Flexclip is all about. Flexclip is an online video editing platform that offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you create stunning videos. It's accessible from any web browser, meaning you don't need to download or install any software. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who are always on the go or don't want to clutter their devices with editing software. To begin, let's go through the sign-up process and take a quick tour of the user interface. Signing up for Flexclip is a breeze. Simply head over to their website, click on the sign up button and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. Now that you're familiar with the interface, let's explore the first major features of Flexclip: video creating and editing. With Flexclip, you can easily import your footage or choose from a vast library of stock videos and images. The drag and drop functionality allows you to arrange your clips on the timeline effortlessly. Adding text and overlay effect can make your video move to the next level. Flexclip offers a range of stylish text animations, customizable fonts, and dynamic overlays. You can easily position and resize them on the screen to create engaging and eye-catching visual. A great video is not usually appealing but also has excellent audio. Flexclip allows you to record voiceovers directly within the editor or import pre-recorded audio files. You can also choose from a vast library of royalty-free music to add the perfect track to your videos. To give your videos a professional touch, Flexclip offers a variety of transitions and filters. Transitions help you smoothly move between clips, while filters can enhance the overall look and feel of your footage. With just a few clicks, you can apply these effects and give your videos a polished look. Flexclip understands that video creation often involves collaboration, and they've got you covered. You can invite team members to join your project, assigning different roles and work together seamlessly. The project management features such as a version control and comments makes it easier to keep track of changes and communications effectively within the platform. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export and share your masterpiece with the world. Flexclip allows you to export your video in various resolutions, including high definition and 4K. You can also choose different aspect ratio to optimize your videos from different platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive review of Flexclip. This online editing tool truly provides a powerful and user-friendly experience for creators at all levels. With its extensive features, intuitive interface, collaboration capability, and convenient web-based access, Flexclip has become a go-to choice for many video enthusiasts. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, I highly recommend giving Flexclip a try. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and look at the description area for more resources. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next nugget.